Cellulite marks are simply deposits of fat under your skin. They are normal, common, and nothing to be ashamed of. If you do feel like smoothing out your skin and wish that there was a way to get rid of these little imperfections, we're here to help with a combination of home remedies and exercises that will help you do just that. If you want to receive a detailed Cellulite guide to help you along, simply type guide in the comments below. These stubborn fat deposits are most commonly seen on the hips, the lower abdomen and thighs. Certain people are more predisposed to developing cellulite. Factors such as family history and pregnancy can definitely have an impact on this. Cellulite may not disappear overnight, but there are simple tips and lifestyle changes that can help tighten your skin over a period of time. Proper blood circulation is exactly what cellulite needs in order to loosen up your fat deposits. Exfoliating this area can be really helpful. Dry brushing your body with a brush that has natural fibers will help with the cellulite. Simply scrub the areas where you have cellulite and you're relaxing all the toxins trapped along with the fat on your body. A combination of scrubbing and wrapping your skin is also a great way to tighten up your skin. Here's what you'll need: half a cup of coffee and 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix these ingredients together and massage it onto the part of your body that needs tightening in circular motions. Next, wrap this area tightly with some cling wrap and leave it on for about 30 minutes. Wash it off with warm water and be consistent with this treatment. These foods are the main culprits of cellulite. Your body will thank you for keeping them off your plate. As much as it pains us to say this, sugary candies and pastries have no place in your diet. Their high sugar content acts as a catalyst to worsen already dimpled skin. Instead, replace them with nature's best candy, fruits. This will help give you the sweetness you crave without compromising on your health. The next offender on this list is potato chips. What if we told you its high sodium content is what makes your skin dimples more apparent? No need to worry about your evening snack. You can replace these with nuts like cashews, almonds, or anything you prefer. Not only are these as convenient and easy as chips, they boost your energy and cut down your cravings by keeping you full for longer. Exercising is the best to fight cellulite along with home remedies. The first one is sumo squats. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, with your feet pointed outward. Your hands should be on your waist. Lower yourself with the help of your knees and hips and engage your abs and core in this workout. Make sure to keep your thighs parallel to the floor. Do 3 sets of this with 10 reps in each set. This next exercise will really work on your inner thighs where the loose skin often hides. Lay on your side and stretch your leg outward. Cross your upper leg over your lower leg and rest your foot on the floor. Now lift your bottom leg and slowly lower it down. Repeat this with 2 sets of 15 reps in each set. The cellulite that resides on the outer sides of your thigh can be toned using this exercise. Lie on your side with bottom leg folded inwards. Rest your arm on your hip and lift your top leg upwards. Bring it as high up as you can and slowly bring it down. Repeat this on your other leg as well. You can do 2 sets with 15 to 20 reps in each set. Whether it's making you feel self-conscious or keeping you from strutting out in your favorite pair of shorts, cellulite has to go. We hope these home remedies and lifestyle tips can help you out. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite tip is. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.